Whoa, I'm going to Barbados. Whoa, back into the palm trees. Whoa, I'm gonna see my girlfriend. Whoa, in the sunny Caribbean Sea. Sorry about that, but there you go. It had to come out, didn't it? Well, guess where this is from? Oh, this is an Ian coin, 1973. $1. So, first of all, let's bang a hole in it. About the same size as a 50p. Let's go over to the gorgeous. Have her ready. She's always ready for me, this girl. Right. There's just a little bit of a drip there on her. Okay. Hope everybody's doing well. I'd like to thank my subscribers for hitting this like button and or the thumbs down button. Thanks for your comments. Oh, thanks for everything, really. I'm in a funny mood today, you know what I mean? A good mood, but a funny mood. It's a bit strange, if you ask me. Right. Just want to clean up the edge. I'll tell you what, I think I'll put in a new. If you can open the bloody thing. There we go. These are really good. Really, really good. Right. Are you all sitting comfortably? Then I'll begin. Oh yeah. These are so good, these blades. That is beautiful. Right, let's show a bit of warmth and affection with Bernie. Okie dokie. Right, what have we got? Dried off. The 17-degree folding die. And I think we're going to use, it's going to have to be this, isn't it? Sunny side up on the ring. You've got the date. You've got Barbados. Whoa! Right. Sorry about that. I told you I was in a funny mood today. But a good mood. Right, let's go over to Big Red. Be good if I got it in shot, wouldn't it, as well? This table has got to get fixed soon. I've got to get a new table. Right. You're not going to believe this. Look at this. Sandy's sister has turned up. And yeah, happy days. So I just want to clean up this edge, make sure it's looking good and sexy. See, it's looking a bit sad here and there. This is just very, very, very fine sandpaper. You see them little marks there? You want to get them out, or otherwise that could cause the ring to split. And I think a bit more. Bit for me, bit for you, and a bit for the leggy blonde upstairs. How's that? Oh yeah, that's good. Right, So now we want to go over to our one and only Mr. Spike, the ring stretcher. Please don't split. Give it a bit of a turn each time. I think I might have to give it a bit more love with Bernie. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. I don't want to. That should do the job. Makes all the difference having some power in your gas torch, you know. Right, let's dry it off. Let's whack it back on again. Right. I mean, I used kitchen wood here. That didn't seem too clever. Is it starting to split? No. There's still a little bit of a bow in it. Focus, baby. So I just want to get rid of the bow. I mean, I use kitchen rolls. Some guys use a plastic bag or, you know, whatever floats your boat's good. How's that looking? There's still a little bit of a bow in it, I think. Just a tad, a little bit more, just a tad more. If there's a little button there, little red one, you hit that, you'll be automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon and other stuff happens. Right, there you go. It's just cone shaped now. So now we'll go over to the bottom end of Spike. These are reduction dies. I think there's a little bit there. Not much, but there's a bit. God, that's pretty, no, maybe a touch more. I think I'm warming up a bit. I don't know what this coin's made of, but it's quite a hard coin. Right, let's dry it off. And we'll try again. That's a bit too much there, so what we got here? Nope. That's good. See, that's about all that's sticking out. You don't want it too high. Well, that's just me. I mean, other ring makers probably do, you know, different, but we all have our little ways of doing stuff. I mean, I've only been doing this for 9 months, so I'm no bloody expert. I just swan along and do my own sketch, you know. But they seem to come out pretty good. There you go, look at that. Sexy as hell. Does it need any? Yeah, there's quite a big lip in that one. See that lip there? You want that to come out. Right. Oh, this really cuts out. I should have changed this ages ago. They might cost a bit more now coming from China, but there you go. Right. Let's break out Kate Bush. Look at this. She's just back from the hairdressers. Looking absolutely gorgeous. Eh? 'Cause she's gorgeous. I'll do anything to you. Right, bit of volume. I think it's I'd do anything for you, wasn't it? Do anything for you, stupid boy. Ooh. Let's clean up that edge. Right, how's it looking? Pretty damn good. Got a whim, no, it's not a wimmer, it's some bloke holding, well, I don't know what that is. Is it a wimmer? No, I don't know. I know nothing. I learned it from the book. Right, there you go. Whoa. I'm gonna see my girlfriend. Whoa. In the sunny Caribbean Sea. Right, let's give it a bit of a polish. If you prefer the Edwin look, all I have to do is run over it again with Kate. Right. Elton John's getting smaller and smaller every time, I think. I need to put a new one in. Yeah, you can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. It's in the description below. If you hit that, it'll automatically take you to the shop and you can check out my stuff. It's not just rings in there, there's earrings and coin bracelets, pendants, you know. Check it out. I do custom work. I do wedding bands and all sorts of stuff. You can even send me your own coins and I'll happily make you a ring out of your own coin. Right. What do we got? I think. It's exciting, isn't it? I could tell. I bet Gary and Bear on the edge of their seats, you know. How's your coffee, Gary? Okay. How's the pussycats doing? Meow, meow, meow. Right. There we have it. So if you're from Barbados and you're looking for a handmade ring, give us a shout. You can leave a comment or my email address is there. Yourfingermyring at proton.me. What size we got? This is a size 10 and a quarter, 10 and a half, 10 and 3/4. There you go. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. So thanks for watching. I hope you're all having a great, safe day. Keep smiling. And I'll catch you tomorrow, God willing. So bye-bye.